NSK iCare, maintenance. To keep your iCare running smoothly, it's important to clean it frequently. We recommend weekly. To clean the main chamber, make sure the power cord is disconnected with the power button off. Then, simply clean inside the chamber using a paper towel and alcohol. Replace dirty and used sponges and absorbent sheets when they get dirty with debris. If you need to remove the front door, slide in the latch lever at the lower right corner of the door and pull out the door. To put the door back on, fit the installation hole in the pin on the left side first and then lock in the door by pulling and releasing the latch on the right side. If you notice your O-rings are starting to wear out, then replace with the extra set of O-rings in the original packaging. If water accumulates inside the filter cup at the back of the unit, press the drain button at the bottom of the filter to empty the air filter. Check the filter regularly to make sure it's empty and dry. We recommend changing the air filter once per year to ensure smooth operation. Before changing the air filter, make sure the air valve is closed and empty the remaining air in the line by pushing the air release button. If you have any further questions, please visit our support site, nsktech-us.com.